Alright, good evening folks, and welcome to another quick video tutorial on how we add alerts using Streamelements on Lightstream. So I've already taken the liberty and have the pages loaded up for this video tutorial. You should be on your projects, Lightstream projects page, Twitch Glow Lightstream.com projects. Alright, this is for the video tutorial. I have my YouTube tutorial project, gamer project, highlighted here. So that's the first thing you want to pull up. Then the next thing you want to go to Streamelements, and you go to your dashboard. Alright, so you should be coming on this page here. Alright, when you log on onto Streamelements with your Twitch account, then you go over to my overlays, right, and that should take you to this page. See, this is the overlay we're working on. In-game overlay, HUT's in-game animated scene. That's what I did my first video tutorial with. We go now on edit. Right, so now we want to click on layers and scroll all the way down to alerts. This is where it's called your Streamelements overlay editor. This is where you'll come to do anything, whether you're adding widgets, alerts. This is the page you want to be on. So now we click on the alert box too, right, then we click on settings, right. So now you have your options. This will pop up, right? So you have your follower alert, you check that box, your subscriber alert, your tip alert, chair alert, post alert, raid alert, purchase alert. So I would take this, if you have your merch store up and running, I would take this. There's a cool animation for that. Now you want to go into more detail here. This is your hair, right? And this is the default image. I don't want to stay too long here, but you can go now and set image and change this. Like what I have done, I have selected numerous GIFs files. It's called GIF files. So I'm a huge fan of SpongeBob. So this is what you have. Alright, let's say we want to add this image. You just click submit. You see, it's here, right? You have your volume. I would suggest you increase this to about 80%. So that you can hear it on your headset when you're monitoring your stream, right? And you can also upload a sound. They have a default song here. We go here. I got this from owntv.com. This was a package. So you see you have my military package. We have chair, subscriber, raid, follower, military. This is what Arcade Pro, subscriber, raid, follow. So let's play it. There you go. I won't play it. You submit, and there it is. You should see it pop up here. Again, like I say, you must set your volume at 80% so you can hear it when you're on your stream, on your headset, wherever you monitor your stream. I monitor my stream on my laptop. It's the same laptop, right? So we close that, and the same applies here. You go this cogwheel here. You can change this default image and also upload a different sound. So let's set this. Let's say we use this one, submit. You see? Then you can upload a song. Let's go with your subscriber. Alright, submit. There you go. Again, increase your volume to 80% so that you can always hear it on your monitoring your stream on your headset or however you monitor your stream. Right? There's the tip alert, share alert, host alert, read alert, and the same applies. Right? You go here. You can change your raid scene by changing the image. You can change the default song. Upload a song. There's a military raid song here. Yep. Submit. There you go. Set this up to 80%. Be sure to increase it above 50% because it will be very, very hard to hear. Right? So you have that. Boom. Right? And basically that's it in a nutshell. Right? The preference is your preference. Oh, let me show you one more thing. You want to add the emote explosion. You go here on alerts. You go to the kappa gen. Boom. You bring this over here. Let's keep it there. Right, so you see the chat emotes on, show all, animation. I prefer bounce. Right, there are various animations. There's zoom, bubble, blur, bounce, random. Again, that preference is yours. I chose bounce. Then you have the unlimited emotes per user. Emote duration on screen 5 seconds. That should be fine. And we go up here and we check emote explosions. Animation again, the preference is yours. Random, bubble, fountain, output explosion. Right. And now what event should trigger an emote explosion? You check your followers, subscribe buttons. Tips are very rare, but they're more than welcome. Share, I won't click that because that's a separate thing. Oh yes, shares, yeah. Post, no. Raids, and uncheck the purchases. Again, this is for if you guys have your merch store up and running. Right, then you select your emotes. If you guys are now starting up, you'll have to have the choice between here, BTTV, global emotes, your FZ, global emotes, your Twitch, global emotes. Now again, you can check all, boom, 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 and that's the default, right? Well, when I say not all, you'll have to do it like this. Let me show you. You go here. Yep, you can. I would select a few from each category. So like I will select this. Quickly, come on, man. Boom. Boom. Now come here, bow. Here. Let's see. Chef dog. Let's see. Here. You know, the preference is yours. The Twitch. Right. What again? There's the robot. I saw something around him. What again? Let's go with the cat if you're a cat fan. Again, like I said, the preference and choice is all up to you. And you just click submit. Right. And now what we can do to make sure that those changes were implemented. There's an emulate button here. So let's emulate a follower. You see? Boom. Alright, so that's what it will look on stream, sorry. the subscriber. See? Lovely. And then there's your chair, raid. Let's see what happens. And that's the raid. Booyaka! Now to make sure it's on your stream, you can come here, emulate those things again. Let's emulate a chair, a follower, subscriber, post, and a raid, and check it here on Lighstream to ensure that what you have made actually works. Oh, you know what? I didn't save the changes. Oopsie. See now, these are default settings. So, to correct that, I'll show you that very quickly. That's my bad. Always remember to save your changes, or else it will stick with the default settings. Right? And that's what happened there. I'm glad I was able to point out that. Okay, so we selected save. Save, right? And come back here. Oh my lord, sorry. My bad, it's this time of the night. It's that time of night, sorry. Yeah, come back here, edit. And ensure that we did everything correctly. I didn't save, so that's why the default. Come on, computer, work. Right. Settings. So we need to come back here, boom. Right, so the image is there, the song is there, we just double checking, right? Boom. The subscriber alert. The video is there, the song is there. Boom. The raid alert. I didn't change the image for that, but the sound is there as well. So let's go to the Capagen. Let's see, boom. Alerts. Capagen. Right, chat emotes on. Right, animation random. I can change that to bounce. Again, the preference is yours again. The reason why we're going over the steps again is because I didn't save after I made the changes, and that's why you saw the default settings when we tried to emulate it on the Lightstream overlay. So this is to make sure that we do it correctly and you guys follow these steps correctly. So we come over here now, emote explosion. Animation again will be, I chose explosion. Show 400 emotes. What event should trigger an emote explosion? Check followers, subscribers. Tips are rare, but more than welcome. Cheers, raids, and not purchases. Come over here now, select emotes. Alright, for this one, I have my sub emotes. If you guys, if you don't have your sub emotes, you can select any of these. Alright, select some of these. Again, the preference is yours, and we just click submit. Remember to save. Right, and then let's emulate it and check it out. It's saved, right? So we go here now, we check the chair, follower, subscriber, post, great. Let's go over on Lighstream. Let's see if it worked this time. Yay! There you go. Booyaka! Mission accomplished, man. So what you see in here, even though it's just an emulation, when somebody follows, they subscribe, they share, or they raid your channel, this is exactly what you're going to see on your stream. So again, folks, I wanted to say thanks for dropping by. If this video helped you in any way whatsoever, feel free to hit a follow and a subscribe, and you can also drop into my Twitch channel, RetroGamers40, where you can see what I have done with my overlays I've created and my alerts. So thank you guys for watching. Catch you on the flip side. See you on my next tutorial. Peace out.